Hey guys! I'll show you how to create seamless patterns in Canva using one of the easiest methods I've found so far. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements tab and start choosing the graphics you want to include in your pattern. Try picking graphics that match the same style or theme so your pattern looks more cohesive. I recommend adding a few extra graphics just in case, since some elements may not be supported by the app we'll be using later. Once you've collected your graphics, head over to the Apps tab and search for Patterned AI. Open the Create tab. To add your graphics, simply click the elements from your canvas and they'll automatically appear inside the app. Now you can start arranging your design and you'll instantly see a preview of your seamless pattern at the bottom section of the app. Choose different tile styles. Change the spacing between graphics. Adjust the zoom level. Move the pattern left, right, up or down until you like the layout. Play around with the settings a little. Sometimes the smallest adjustments make the biggest difference. Once you're happy with your design, click the Add as Background button, and your seamless pattern will be added directly to your Canva design. And that's how you can create seamless patterns in Canva. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.